What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We have a basically an official barn find here, and this thing, how long has this thing been sitting?
He's owned it 8 years, and I think it's been sitting.
Been sitting most of that. I mean, guys, look at this. Yeah, wow. This car has been sitting at least 8 years, and it's a mess. But what are we gonna do? You know, a lot of people always ask me, you know, what car should I buy? What should I look for? How do I, you know, decide if it's a good car to buy? Now, when you're out shopping, you're gonna run into stuff like this, and you know, this car, it needs everything. So we're basically just gonna start at the bottom. We're gonna take it down the road and, you know, just see what it's doing, how it's, you know, how it behaves, the suspension, the engine, the clutch, the everything. So I guess we'll just start there.
I'm pretty good. He pulled off trailer.
All right, so again, guys, this is, I mean, you're gonna run into stuff like this. There's stuff like this out there. I mean, yeah, those seat belts are, retractors are not working.
Yeah, this one don't work at all.
But let's just kind of survey what we have here. Of course, the steering wheel is done. Got some cracks.
Trim missing.
Yep, trim missing. Is that sort of? That's got a motorsport.
Yeah, motorsport.
Ha! That's crazy. You never notice it, and then you have this. Like, guys, if you're not a race car, just no. To each his own, but no. All right, so, and actually this is kind of an odd car. You notice there's nothing here because it's manual windows. How's it running?
I don't know, late on me.
Sounds a little rough. It's not bad.
Yeah, it ain't real bad, but it's got a miss.
Whew. Seats aren't horrible, you know. That doesn't sound too good, does it? But guys, I mean, you're gonna run into cars like this, and you need to get out and drive it. First of all, we're feeling for, you know, suspension. Does it have any power?
He knows how the gas is.
Yeah, exactly. All right, it's missing pretty good. Yeah. Oh, we got power! But all the parts are there. Look at there. Got your little light. Oh yeah. Got a lot of vibration coming from the shifter, y'all. Just resting your hand on it. Transmission doesn't feel all that great. Of course, it's scratching in third. No, that was fourth gear scratch. That could be any number of things. Engine's got a pretty decent misfire. Sounds like an exhaust leak too.
Seems like it's better since it's actually warming up a little bit.
It's got some power. I mean, it's not like a plug or anything, but
like it's missing on one cylinder, it's got 33 now.
Maybe if we drive a little longer, that'll like heal itself. But honestly, though, so far the ride isn't horrible. How's the steering?
Oh, it ain't bad. It's got good oil pressure.
Holding good pressure. Temp is okay. Volt gauge is not reading.
Volt gauge ain't working.
Yeah, see, we got no volts, no nothing. Yeah, we're still scratching.
Brakes are
so. Yeah.
They stop. Idling diesel.
Yeah. How did fuel gauge and all that work?
I hope so.
and here's the thing, guys. It could be something very simple. It probably just needs plugs and wires, cap and rotor, fuel filter, maybe some fresh gas. I mean, these can all be very simple things. So, you know, just because the car is not running all that great doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to need an expensive fix. But it also doesn't. So, if you don't know, if you don't have the knowledge to kind of ascertain what the issue is for yourself, take someone along that does. Yeah, it will be. Oh man. Yeah, y'all, you can see this thing has been sitting for a long time. It's idling fairly decent. But again, I mean, you're gonna run into cars like this, and you gotta take every situation. Boy, you can tell it hasn't run in a while.
Yeah, it's like time to cover thinking coolant.
Oh, man. Alright guys, so here we go. Yeah, we got a coolant leak right there at the timing cover down by the base of the distributor. Got MSD wires on it. That could be part of it right there. She's pretty well stocked, y'all. Got a clamp on air filter. It's 88. It's a speed density car.
If I've been on there long enough, they come apart.
We got another coolant leak right there at the heater tube too. But as you can see, though, I mean, this car has not been molested really. They did bypass the smog on the back of the on the back of the heads. You can see that. Looks like new struts at some point.
Doors look good.
Yep, there's another leak. Oh no, that's the same one. Yeah, door shut pretty decent, but I mean, there you go, guys. It looks like we may have had a collision at some point. Hard to say.
It stinks in there, don't it?
Yeah, it stinks. It smells terrible.
You ready?
Yeah.
Why not?
There you go, guys. It's this is just basically what you're gonna find. You know, when you're out on the trail hunting for these cars. And it's hard to figure out, you know, do you buy this car? Do you not buy this car? It's a tough call. You know, the car is rough. It's going to need a lot. I mean, it's going to need everything. The quarter glasses are done. Trim is done. Yeah, you can see it's curling up pretty bad. It's got chrome door handles, for heaven's sake. But then you also have to look at the car is original, especially back here. This bumper cover is not sagging and not wavy. Well, okay, it is sagging a tiny bit right here in the center. But overall, based on the condition of the car, I would expect that to be totally jacked. Obviously, that's easy to fix and replace. But then you look at, like, here at the quarter glasses, these things are so bad you can see the body. Like, those are done. It's got pony wheels on it. Nice. How do you decide? How do you what do you decide to pay for it? All right, guys, so let's take a quick look inside here. This car has had door panels done at some point. These are just like cheap knockoff whatever, and they look bad. They're super wavy down here, as you can see. This does not match the fabric. I mean, they're not. I mean, it's better than having no door panels at all, but they look pretty bad. You know, most everything is there. Obviously, the seats they're pretty well done. The carpet is done. You know, it's not horrible. Most of it is there, but again, how do you decide? All right, y'all. So I know I've kind of bad-mouthed the car a little bit, and you know, obviously, you know, it's been hit. It's gonna need a lot. But you know, how do you decide if you're gonna buy the car? The couple things that I do like about the car is it's basically bone stock, save for a few minor things. You know, the engine, transmission, it does have a gear in it, I think. Hadn't been messed with a lot. That's a good thing. Never had the windows tinted. It does have pony wheels, like I said earlier. It's nice. I guess it's got exhaust on it, but it's still got the cheese graters. So that's the stuff I like about it. You know, it does run, and it's gonna need, you know, it's gonna need quite a bit of work. It's gonna need a lot of work. Motor mounts are done. A lot of stuff done. Looks like it had a stereo at some point. Phoenix Gold, that's old school right there.
It's got a broke motor mount?
Yeah.
We just stick Coyote in.
Yeah, stick Coyote it. But, you know, again, it all depends on what you're wanting to do with your car, with your build. Yeah, definitely your budget. But I mean, you could take a car like this, tune it up, fix the leaks, change all the fluids in it, you know, check everything out underneath, and probably have a pretty good driving little car.
Yeah, even the issues, it drove good.
Yeah. I mean, it didn't make any crazy noises or clunks or squeaks or anything. Am I going to pay $4,500 for this car? Not a chance. I mean, it's going to take me $4,500 to get the car, get everything fixed, suspension-wise. The tires are dry rotted, all the leaks. The engine's probably going to need to just come back out and be resealed. So, no, I'm not going to spend $4,500. What I would pay for this car... Oh, man, that's a tough call. Cash money, maybe 3. Maybe. I don't know. It is all there, and I like that. 2,500. I don't know. What do you guys think? Cash money, what would you pay for this car?
I don't know, you might pay that if it's a roller.
Yeah.
I don't know, you know?
Man, it's so hard to say. I would be comfortable around 25 to 3. Just because it's all there. If it was modded all to hell and back, and yeah, I wouldn't even pay that. But you're going to spend a lot of money on this car. That's the thing, guys. It's so hard to talk money when you're looking at a car like this, because, you know, like we were just talking about, you clean this car up, fix the leaks, and fix the miss. I mean, we're talking a whole new ball game.
Oh, yeah.
You know, scrub all this stuff off, which this is going to be a task to get this car back clean again, but get it running right, wash it up. Okay, we're talking a totally different number here. So it's really tough to call, but I like seeing cars like this that are, you know, they haven't been molested a whole lot, so you can start off, you know, with a pretty solid foundation, build what you want regardless of what you want to do. Hell, keep it stock, find you a nice stock hood and put new lights in it. This car would look phenomenal. Whew. So tough to say. That's why I very rarely want to get into talking price and values and all that, because every car is different. Everything's got a story, and you know, you don't ever know case to case what a car will need or will not need, and that's, you know, what you need to base your value on. So there you go, guys. The Barn Find GT. Hopefully we'll be getting this thing back, breathing some new life into it, get it running good, and you'll get to see it come back to life. So there you go. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And also, guys, 2, not 1, but 2 meet and greet events. I'm doing Scram Speed on July 20th. That's in Mahomet, Illinois. Go to my Facebook page. The event is there. And then November 2nd, I'll be at Moe's Speed Shop in Dallas, Georgia, just north of Atlanta. That's November 2nd. Check out those events. If you're in either one of those areas, stop by and hang out. It'd be awesome to see you. And have the car there. It's going to be a heck of a time. So that is what I got for you today. Check you later.